In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively utilize Elementor's built-in template and kit library to enhance your website design experience. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just getting started, Elementor offers a vast array of professionally crafted templates and kits that can streamline your workflow and elevate the quality of your projects. Let's dive right in by opening the Elementor editor. Once you're in, you'll quickly notice the wealth of design options at your fingertips, and one of the most time-saving features is the template library. Accessing this library is straightforward. Look for the folder icon. It's your gateway to a world of design possibilities. When you click on this icon, navigate to the Template tab. This is where you can explore hundreds of ready-made page, block, and pop-up templates. These templates are meticulously designed by professionals, ensuring that you have high-quality options to incorporate into your site. The beauty of these templates is not just in their design, but also in their functionality and versatility. You can search through the library to find a template that suits your specific needs. Once you find a design you love, it's as simple as clicking to insert it into your page. This ease of use can significantly cut down the time you'd normally spend on design, allowing you to focus more on content and functionality. Now, if you're looking to create a cohesive, full-fledged website experience, Elementor's Kit Library is your go-to resource. Kits are essentially full website templates that come complete with headers, footers, pages, and site-wide settings. They're perfect for those who want a consistent look across their entire website without having to design each element individually. To explore these full website templates, there are a couple of ways you can go about it. From the main menu, simply go to Templates and then click on Website Templates. Alternatively, while you're still in the Elementor editor, you can access the Kit library directly. This integrated approach allows you to import comprehensive design kits with just one click. Think of it as having a team of designers working for you, assembling a website that's ready to customize and launch. The Kit library is designed to make your life easier, providing you with all the essential components you need for a professional website. And don't worry about losing your personal touch. All templates and kits are fully customizable, meaning you can tweak them to perfectly match your brand's style and voice. By leveraging these powerful tools within Elementor, not only do you save valuable time, but you also ensure that your website stands out with its professional look and feel. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and take your web design to the next level with Elementor's robust template and kit library.